I'm holding out, guys. I'm really holding out, but I don't know if I can even make it till dinner without adding stuff. We'll see. I am tired. It's early, but you gotta get the day started, and I didn't have the camera on me, but the first thing I heard was screaming this morning. So I went out and the goat was stuck in the fence. I was going to vlog it, but I couldn't find the camera because I left it inside the house and not in the camper where we sleep. But had to go get the goat loose. Its head was stuck in the fence. That was fun. Last night we had an incident that wasn't great. One of our big chickens got into the chick pen area, and let me just show you. So this little chick got beat up last night. The chicken got inside, the big chicken got inside their cage and pecked its head real bad, as you can see. We've never dealt with this before, so we're not 100% sure what to do. We put some ointment on it and some antibacterial medicine and whatnot. We didn't know if he or she was gonna make it, but seems to be doing fine overnight. Slept well, ate, and all that, so we're gonna keep an eye on it. But it looks like one of the eyes is swollen shut, or possibly both. We're going to do what we can to help this one and then fix the chicken cage outside.
Well, last night I was pretty beat up about it. I really love my chickens, and so when stuff like this happens, you can't really get angry at the other chickens because that's just what they do. It's not their fault. But as far as this chick goes, we're gonna keep her inside and just nurse her as best we can, and hopefully she gets better. I think she will, and I think she deserves a pretty cool name. So what do you guys think we should name her? I assume it's a her. But if it's a him, what should we name him?
He seems to be doing well.
He's a fighter.
And our quill, they're doing good. I know a lot of people said that we need to put rocks and stuff down in the water. I'm gonna show you. This thing is very shallow. It's not a lot to begin with, and it only lets out just a little bit of water. I'm not too worried about them drowning. I think they're gonna be all right. Some of these little dudes are pretty small, but they seem to be all right. But our day must go on, so we are going to go try to fix the chicken area for the little chicks, make sure no big chickens can get in there. We are going to continue on our egg fast. This is day 2. I guess we'll just do a quick update of how we're feeling. As of right this second, I already drank my coffee for the morning. I had a mug and she had a mug, and I'm feeling great. Last night, I wasn't feeling the best at all. I could tell my body was coming down from all the sugars I used to have and all that to eating basically nothing, not drinking soda. It was rough, guys, and I'm gonna be completely honest. When we went to Walmart yesterday and we bought the medicine and stuff for the chick, I told Jaylena, I was like, I can't do this. I have to add something to my eggs. No salt and pepper, no nothing. It's very hard. I can't do this. And then this morning, I got on y'all's comments, and y'all were saying, you could do it. So I'm going to stick to it as long as I can. I'm going to see, it's all mental. I'm going to go through all today. Hopefully, I'm going to go as long as I can with still not adding anything to it. It absolutely sucks, but this is a challenge. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I am a little bloated, but that's not because of the egg fast, but it is making me feel really bad, I guess. But I'm gonna eliminate cheese from this egg fast. I think that always kind of does something to my body, and it doesn't react well when I eat a lot of cheese. So I'm gonna eliminate the cheese, but I might just do one meal where I don't add anything like Jason does, and then the other meal I can add a little bit of like hot sauce or something.
So last night after we posted our videos, we did 2 yesterday because we going crazy. We were actually behind because our dog passed away the other day, so if it seemed kind of weird, the food and more food vlog was a little off, like it had some of one day and some of the other. It did, It's because we combined the 2 days because our dog passed away. We didn't feel like vlogging after that. But I was looking through comments, and on our family page, which we're going to put down in the description if you guys like to join, it's way more interactive than our normal Facebook. It's interactive, I think even more than our YouTube channel, because you can actually see who it is. They can post pictures. We can see you and who you really truly are. If you don't have Facebook, create a Facebook just to get on that. It's worth it because I'm absolutely enjoying it. People are starting to talk amongst each other, which is what we want. We want this to be a family. But what I wanted to do, there was a girl that posted and it really got me, and so I wanted to give you a shout out. So there is a girl named Haley Nicole Calvert, I think is how you say it. She watches our videos every single morning. She said that she gets up, she has a routine. She gets up, makes her boyfriend's lunch, and then as her day goes on in the morning, she watches one of our videos. So on days like this where I woke up and I had to go get the goat out and deal with this hurt chicken and stuff like that, it gets tough, and I don't, sometimes I'm like, I don't even want to vlog this. But because of comments like this that we just got from, Haley Nicole, it really, really just proves in my head why we should do this. We are a part of each other's day, and that's something that a lot of people can't say. And so we are going to kill these vlogs. We're going to do them every day, no matter if we want to or not, because we are a family and we're going to stick together. So Haley, I wanted to give you a shout out and thank you for allowing us to be a part of the start of your day every single day. So, we're doing the egg fast, and if you know me, you know that everything I eat just goes in and out almost instantly. In our other vlogs, I'm always like, I gotta poop. But since I started the egg fast, I didn't go to the bathroom yesterday. I peed a lot. I mean a lot. I never drank that much water in my life. I'm gonna weigh real quick and see if it's even done anything at all. I don't know. 0.2 pounds, people. Just wait till I empty it out. I'll probably lose even more. Every little bit counts. We're gonna do a lot of work outside, hopefully, as long as the weather is nice. Burn some calories, eat some more eggs. And I know a lot of you people are commenting on the good and bad side of this. And a lot of you are commenting, well, not a lot, but there's a few of you commenting say that you're doing this with us and you're on the egg fast. So thank you guys for being a part of this, and stay in touch on our family page so we can motivate each other to do this. Well, came out to feed the animals, and goat is stuck back there. They always say the grass is greener on the other side, and goats always think that, even though look, green, not green. Stuck again. You know the routine. Hold on, there you go. Just another awesome reason why you should have goats. So that was the second time she's done that today in the last hour and a half, I guess. She's getting the board back on her head. You hungry? Doing great as always. So as you can see, we got a chicken in the area where the chicks are supposed to be, so we need to fix this. These other guys, all these other guys know not to go in there. They're all good, except that one. Right now we're gonna feed these animals because they're needy. This female has been going nuts for the food. I definitely think she's pregnant, and so I'm gonna go feed them outside, give us some room to work in here. Oh, I know. We always spread it out so they can do their thing. Two roosters going at it, so we had a question. This rooster, let me see if I can catch him real quick. We call this guy Joe Dirt, if you can't tell why. Leave some comments below if you think we should call him Joe Dirt or Donald Trump. Either way would be hilarious. I'm gonna let him go eat now. We know this is not a permanent solution. This is just something that we're doing for now. So I'm just gonna put some planks on top of here and hopefully keep out those bigger chickens for now.
So guys, as you know, yesterday we got some tea, from a tea company in Colorado.
I hate to break this to you guys, but it's raining outside again.
Why?
Every time I build, it rains. Back to the broadcast.
Can it just be like summer already? That'd be great. So anyways, something you probably don't know is that I absolutely love tea. I have like a whole stash of tea. I just randomly picked one. This one is called Landson Park Blend. I'm really excited to try it out. It smells really good. It says raspberries. Yes, it does smell like raspberries. Raspberries, raspberry leaves, water, spearmint, stevia, strawberries, sunshine, and yarrow. All right, so I'm gonna let this soak for 5 to 10 minutes. And during that time, I'm going to plant our spinach and lettuce. So I think I'm going to just split these up between 5 cups each. I'm gonna use soil from an old plant that Jared just rooted. I don't know what was in here, but I'm gonna use this soil for these because why not recycle? This is the tomato and vegetable garden plant food. I'm going to mix in a little bit of this with this because that's what it says to do.
Me again. Guys, don't mind me. I'm gonna be walking through here and there. I'm building. Today, I promise, is the last day of building. I just called myself out, so I have to do it.
Do you guys really believe that?
You better.
I'm not sure if I believe that.
You better.
Maybe we can go sneak a peek. Jason said no, but that doesn't always stop me. So someone commented on our egg fast video yesterday, and it seemed like they were kind of upset with me because I didn't show my weight like as my before. And they said, how dare you make your husband do this and you get to play by your own rules. I don't make Jason do anything and he doesn't make me do anything. This was his idea to do his egg fast without anything, not mine. I told him you can do it with this and that, and he said, no, I want to do it like this. I want to challenge myself. Fine then, challenge yourself. Not my problem.
You talking trash?
Uh-huh.
It's my girl.
I did take photos of the scale for my before, and I did the 10-pound weight as well. It's a different scale. It's ours that's out in the camper. And it's also 0.2 pounds off. I don't know why, but both of them are. But I have my before weight photo. And I'm going to be updating you guys every single day on how I'm feeling. Not necessarily what my weight is every day, but kind of, sort of, whether I'm gaining or losing. But if you guys are curious about that, I will have my video uploaded this Monday. So now I'm gonna cover these with dirt, water them. I gotta find somewhere to put them. But before I get to that, I'm gonna try this tea. So it's been sitting for about 5 to 10 minutes, probably longer than that. It's not very dark. It's not dark at all. I didn't put anything else in it, just the tea itself. It tastes really good. It's pretty sweet, which I like. Want to taste it?
Sure. What is it?
I think it's like a raspberry tea.
Even though I know I'm not supposed to do this, it's supposed to be on all water. I only like sweet tea. I don't know.
Here, look. Smell this.
It doesn't smell bad.
It smells good, right?
I'm picky. Like I said, I'm a big, and I don't like hot teas. I'm a cold, sweet tea type of guy. I love tons and tons of sugar in it, but I drink it.
It's good. I like it. I'm very curious to try the other flavors. But now let's put some dirt on the top of these bad boys and water them. Do you guys drink tea? What's your favorite tea? So you guys know that I have my sister channel. All you have to do is search Jaylena Crocker and my channel will pull up. As you know, I will do a full, like an in-depth video about my egg fast, and then I do also have another video that I want to do. Last summer before we left for tour, I wanted to dye my hair purple, but not like all of it. I wanted to do a video on it, but it didn't really turn out how I wanted it to, but I was stuck with it, and so I had purple hair all summer.
I liked it.
I did not like it. I hated it.
It made your eye color pop.
I hated it. I will never do purple hair again. I might do another color this summer. My favorite, I've had probably every color. My favorite's always been pink, So I might have pink hair this summer. I don't know, we'll see. But that's another video I want to work on. Hopefully we still have the footage. If we do, then I will be posting that very soon also, which is exciting. And you can let me know if you think that purple was a good choice or not, because I don't think so. Jason thinks so. What do you think? So I think these are good. I'm gonna add a little bit of soil to a little more soil to some of them just to top it off. Then I'll water them and figure out where to put them. So I got them set up in Jared's greenhouse, and hopefully within the next couple of days the weather will get better and we can go ahead and put them outside to get some sun.
I'm taking a break real quick. I drank some coffee because I needed it. So I'm on 2 cups of coffee so far, and I ate 1 boiled egg. It's 1:36, her phone just lit up. 1:36, and Jaylena just made something that I am mad about because I can't add anything because I'm really trying to hold out.
For the first time ever, Jason's jealous of my keto food. I made keto pancakes. I just put 3 eggs, cinnamon, and for this I actually added a little bit of French vanilla creamer, sugar-free. Just a little bit, and then I have this sugar-free syrup. Those are my keto pancakes.
Those are the things we bought yesterday that I was gonna cheat and eat. I'm holding out, guys. I'm really holding out, but I don't know if I can even make it till dinner without adding stuff. We'll see. I'm gonna go back to building now.
So I wanted to give everyone an update about the chick. She's doing well. We are keeping her in this box. We're gonna keep her inside. It seems that one of her eyes, I don't think that she can see out of, but the other one, it's barely open, but I'm pretty sure that she can see out of it. We're not really quite sure what we're gonna do at this point. I don't wanna keep her by herself for too long, but I just wanted to give you an update on her.
So I'm gonna spend the rest of my day eating boiled eggs with nothing on it because I don't even wanna fry them. I don't wanna scramble them. Not in a good mood, guys. I've been very positive all day, but it's getting tough. So I'm gonna eat boiled eggs the rest of the day, drink some water, try to make it. But do you guys want to go see the final shot of the bathroom? Come on. Are you ready, guys? I've been working very hard. Jared's been working after work. Jaylena's been helping. So guys, let's go check out the finished bedroom and bathroom.